one day,
No.
if you're going to meet God one day, what is the first thing you'll tell Him?
If you're going to meet God one day, what is the first thing you will tell Him? Thank you. Thank you for everything, for the protections, for the time that I am hard-headed, tapos for the
You
guidance,
say what I'm going to say.
for everything. Because I know I'm not a good daughter, but still, God always listen to me, protects me, forgive me, and everything. Yun, how about you?
Parehas lang sa'yo.
Ano ba?
Kasi nasabi mo na lahat yung isasabihin ko.
So,
Kasi
thank you
sabi mo sorry, sabi mo na thank you, tapos sabi mo na
Understanding,
ako,
protection.
sabi mo na every possible na pwede ko sabihin.
Yan lang. That's it. Next day ulit. Ay, last one na lang, kuya. Dito na lang sa card. Sa card pa, wala pa yun sa card. Ito. Last one. Mamaya. Ayan. What is that one thing you want the whole world to know about life?
Life isn't easy.
And, enough.
You-
Why you say it?
And money doesn't buy everything in the world.
So that's the one thing that you learned from the whole world. That you want to share to the whole world.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially to the kids. Because they don't know yet.
Okay. Sa akin naman, what is that one thing you want the whole world to know about life? Life is always unfair. Given na yun siya. But, I will always say siguro na gusto ko sabihin sa buong mundo sa mga tao is enjoy every journey of your life. Kapag ikaw ay kid pa, enjoy being a kid. Kapag ikaw ay teenager, enjoy being a teenager. Because every, life is a roller coaster. There's always unexpected, mga ano yung kuya? Unexpected na mga full of surprises.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.
Oh my God!